Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Thursday, September 26, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports, daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and Apple stock, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to jump right to this one, and that is a buy signal that occurred on Tuesday's settlement above that 119.6858 Fibonacci. That had held the market's buying pressures for the previous week and a half, 2 weeks. And now that we've closed above it, I am ultimately, over the next several weeks, 3 to 5 weeks at the most, anticipating the low 140s, the 142.04 rising channel top. On the way up, we have another channel structure that is nearer term in scope at 132.82 that can contain buying through next week. It is, I think, a realistic 3 to 5 day target right now. On the way up today, I've got 126.72, which you can see here, that can contain daily buying pressures, possibly through the rest of the week. We could fall away from here back to 119.68 within several days, but closing above 126.72 today should then yield this 132.82 within just another 2 to 3 days, possibly by tomorrow, that is Friday's close. 132.82 can contain buying into next week. And from here, we could fall back to 119.68 within maybe 3 to 5 days. But there would be this rising trend line now coinciding with 119.68 that will continue to rise through time. So if you sell 132.82, you can anticipate the channel bottom. I don't think the 119.6858, as this channel bottom continues in time, it will be in the low 120s, mid 120s, low 130s, et cetera, et cetera. So, based on Tuesday's buy signal above the 119.68 formation, you may be long right now. And if you're a 2 to 3, 3 to 5 week position player, you're holding out for the low 140s. But if you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader and you've been long since Tuesday's settlement, it is 132.82. That is the level that you're waiting for. And just know that if we close today above 126.72, we should see 132.82 within just a few days, where profits can be taken on a recently obtained long position. And you could even play the short side for, I'm talking aggressive swing traders who are willing to sell the 132.82 a channel top in anticipation of possible bearish rotation back to what would be a channel bottom in the low 120s. And I'll be cueing you in on that precise level as we move through time. If we close above 132.82 over the next few days, and I don't see that happening, but if we do, we have just another 3 to 5 day blast to the upside before reaching our overall objective at 142.40. This rising channel top inside actually converges by the middle of October with the 142.04 channel top anyway. Let's talk downside, that in the event we break 119.68, we could test 115.99. I think the likelier outcome would be a settlement today below 119.68, indicating 115.99 tomorrow. This newly formed channel bottom able to contain selling through next week, and from here we can round back up again over the following 1, 2, 3 weeks. So 119.68 is the level to buy to the upside, and your next shot is just below it at 115.99, where you can also buy the market on a weekly basis, anticipating upward continuation. It would be a settlement, though, below 115.99 that would indicate bearish continuation within 2 to 3, 3 to 5 days to 107.20, within 1 to 2 weeks into the upper 90s. So it would be the upper 90s that I would expect if we close today below 115.99. That should take the better part of 2 weeks. And once again, within several days on the way down, 107. 107.20 is likely to give the market trouble. If you're accustomed to playing the 2 to 3, 3 to 5 day swing trade, you can sell a settlement below 115.99 and anticipate buying back at the 107.20, a trend line. And you could even consider going long at 107.20, at least on a day trade basis. But I'm not comfortable holding a long position if we close below 115.99 until we actually continue all the way south into the upper 90s, that 98.34 to 98.91 region, a combination trend line and low settlement price from early August, able to contain selling on at least a weekly, possibly monthly basis. And yes, if settled below, would then signal the much more meaningful 83.03 within another 2 to 3 weeks. But there's no point in going there right now. I think I've covered it all. I'm going to leave you with this chart for the day. And I just want you to know that on Wednesday, I put out a stock pick on Roblox. I believe that's how you pronounce it, Roblox, Roblox. Anyway, I think it's an online gaming software sort of it's a large cap stock, healthy trading volume, and it's showing a significant signal right now over the near, mid, and long-term timeframes. You may have a peek at that if you go to wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial. Other than that, I'll be back tomorrow with Friday's NVIDIA report, and you have a great evening.